Would you believe me if I said a bowl of cabbage could change the way you think about salads forever? This dish is crunchy, colorful, and so flavorful, it doesn't just make your taste buds dance. It tells a story of balance, health, and pure Asian magic. Welcome to the Cooking Chronicles, where today, we unlock the secret behind the ultimate Asian cabbage salad with sesame dressing. Stay with me till the end, because by the time we're done, you'll never look at simple cabbage the same way again. I remember the first time I tasted this salad. It wasn't in some fancy restaurant or a sleek cooking show kitchen, it was in a tiny, street-side cafe in Tokyo. A little old lady behind the counter tossed together just a few humble ingredients: cabbage, carrots, sesame, soy, and handed me a bowl that looked almost too simple to impress. But one bite, and I was absolutely speechless. The nutty sesame, the tangy rice vinegar, the soft sweetness of honey. It was a flavor explosion that felt both comforting and exotic at the same time. That day, I realized something powerful. Healthy food doesn't have to be boring, it just needs soul. So, are you ready to make this magic happen in your own kitchen? Here's what you'll need to create this irresistible Asian cabbage salad at home. Everything is simple, fresh, and just bursting with goodness. For the salad base, you'll want about 4 cups of shredded green cabbage and 2 cups of shredded red cabbage. The more color, the better. Then, grab 1 large carrot, julienne, 1 red bell pepper, thinly sliced, and about 3 green onions, chopped. To finish it off, you'll need half a cup of chopped cilantro and a 1/4 cup of toasted almonds or sesame seeds for that crucial crunch. Oh, and if you want to make this a full meal, feel free to add some cooked chicken or tofu for extra protein. Now for the dressing, the heart of the dish. You'll need 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and another of olive oil. For that touch of sweetness, 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. Then, for the aromatics, 1 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger and 1 minced clove of garlic. And for those who like a little kick, a pinch of chili flakes is perfect. Got it all? Great, let's get cooking. Alright, let's bring these amazing flavors to life. First things first, grab a large mixing bowl. This salad is generous and deserves plenty of space to shine. Now let's build our salad. Go ahead and add in your shredded green and red cabbage. Just look at that color contrast. It's already mouth-watering. Next, toss in the julienne carrots for that natural sweetness, the sliced red bell pepper for a fantastic crunch, and the chopped green onions for a little hint of sharpness. Finally, sprinkle in that fresh cilantro. This herb is the secret ingredient that ties all those beautiful Asian notes together. Just give it a light toss to get everyone acquainted in the bowl. It's already looking like a work of art, isn't it? Okay, let's get to the star of the show, that incredible sesame dressing. In a small bowl or a jar, combine the soy sauce, rice vinegar, sesame oil, and olive oil. Now add the honey, grated ginger, and minced garlic. Whisk it all together until it's silky smooth and beautifully aromatic. Seriously, take a moment to just smell that. The nutty sesame and the sweet honey combo will make your mouth water instantly. If you like a little heat, now's the time to sprinkle in those chili flakes. This dressing is pure liquid gold. Now, go ahead and pour it all over your gorgeous bowl of veggies. Don't be shy. Using your hands or a pair of tongs, toss everything together gently. We want to make sure every single strand of cabbage and carrot gets coated in that delicious flavor. You're not just mixing a salad. You're infusing it with flavor. Here's something you might find surprising: cabbage isn't just some salad filler. It is actually one of the oldest cultivated vegetables in the world and has been used in Asian medicine for centuries. It's packed with vitamin K, vitamin C, and powerful antioxidants that help support your immune system. And what about sesame? In ancient China, it was called the seed of immortality. It's loaded with healthy fats and minerals that are great for your brain and heart. So when you enjoy this salad, you're not just eating, you're fueling your body with a piece of ancient wisdom. How cool is that? Alright, our salad is tossed and ready for its grand finale. Finish it off with a generous sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds or crushed almonds. This adds that perfect final layer of texture and crunch. Now for the best part, take a big bite. Let your taste buds travel through Asia. You get the freshness of the cabbage, the tang of the vinegar, the nutty aroma of the sesame oil, and that subtle sweet undertone of honey. Every flavor has its own distinct voice, yet they all sing together in perfect harmony. It's like life when everything is in balance. So there you have it. You now know that this Asian cabbage salad isn't just a recipe. It's a reminder that even the simplest things can hold incredible flavor, history, and soul. If this story made you hungry, just imagine what's coming next here on the Cooking Chronicles. If you enjoyed this, please hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and share it with someone who loves fresh and soulful food. And if you try this recipe at home, I would absolutely love to hear about your version, so drop a comment below. Until next time, keep your knives sharp, your ingredients fresh, and your stories delicious. Thanks for watching.